The course is designed for individuals who want to get a balance between academic theory but also understand the practice that is applied in industry. So we like to offer a blend of the two different things, and the programme also offers people the opportunity to develop their knowledge around marketing and business and develop more of a specialism in digital marketing. The programme allows you to look at a lot of the important components that industry professionals are looking for from recent graduates. So we look at things like SEO, data analysis, machine learning, social media marketing, web development, and consumer psychology, which really ties up how the consumer brain works. And then from that, we apply it to some more practical situations. So you get the opportunity to work in groups and develop your own marketing campaign. And then from that, we build those skills even further. So we invite industry practitioners to come in and they deliver some masterclasses. And what's quite exciting about these masterclasses is we choose the topics based on what industry professionals are really looking for at the moment. So these topics vary year on year. And once you've acquired all this knowledge and you've got that blend of academic theory and application, you complete a research methods module, and then you go on to do your research project, which is a 15,000 word dissertation. The programme uses a blended learning approach, so we have online recorded lectures which you can watch in your own time from anywhere, and then we also have face-to-face workshops which are delivered on campus. So each week you'll expect 3 online lectures and then 6 hours of workshops which will be delivered in the classroom. The timetable is usually split over 2 days a week, and students can expect to see the timetable delivered over 1 afternoon and 2 evenings per week. As a master's programme, you'll be expected to conduct independent reading and study beyond the classroom, and the tutors each week will direct you to useful resources and other activities that you can do to benefit your learning journey. So the programme is assessed through a mixture of different types of assessments. So we look at things like group presentations, reports, essays, and individual portfolio work. There are no formal exams as part of the programme, but we do assess using tools such as group presentations, reports, essays, and individual portfolio work. Successful graduates who have completed the programme often go on to roles such as digital marketing manager, SEO executive, and also digital comms officer. We're also accredited by the IDM, which is the Institute of Data and Marketing, and it gives students the opportunity to complete an additional qualification which is recognised by industry. This is subsidised quite heavily by the university, and it just gives you an additional opportunity to complete with not only an academic qualification but also a professional qualification. So whether you're coming straight through from undergrad or you're returning to study after many years in work, LJMU offers a variety of different support teams. These can be in the form of a personal tutor who is there to support you through your skill development and your academic learning journey, but they can also point you in the direction of many different support teams that we have across the university, including the library skills and academic teams who can help you with things like academic writing and referencing. Another positive thing about the programme is our diverse cohort. We have people who have come back from industry, we have mature students, we have international and home students, and the great thing about this is we get a very rich environment in which to learn.